Alright, so quickly how I fixed it. I put a little piece of two-way tape just on between the lens and the carbon semi-frame that holds the camera. And I added an extra rubber on every corner of the Caddx board over. So there was one originally, so now there's two. Got no more Jello. I had another issue. When I would like crash on the ground quickly, the camera would say goodbye and then I would lose completely until I rebang it or whatever. Over the SD card, I put a little piece of electric tape just to create a little, that plus the two little spacer does the job.